What is up and welcome to another video. I know a lot of you is wondering what is happening to the price of Bitcoin. Now, if you are following me on this channel, you know that I have been predicting this dump since Bitcoin was trading at around $73,000. And right now, the time of recording, Bitcoin is hovering on this critical support level, guys. We have actually this full red candle below this support, guys. 59,800 as mentioned on my previous videos. And if Bitcoin will not be able to hold this support, we might be expecting another 10% drop up to $50,000. And imagine what will happen to the rest of the altcoins. We'll talk about that and more. But before we do that, I want you to like this video, subscribe, and share it to everyone you know. If you are ready, let's jump into the chart, guys. So right now, Bitcoin is trading at this critical support level. When Bitcoin dropped to this 57,300, we have a candle wick right here last May 1, 2024. And right now, Bitcoin is retesting this one more time. And the chart doesn't look good, guys. If you have watched my previous video, I've told you that this downtrend is not over. And we might get a bounce to this Fibonacci retracement levels. And in fact, we get a beautiful bounce from $59,000 up to $63,500 just to see another rejection, guys, from $63,500 down to $57,000. This is not looking good for Bitcoin. I know a lot of you doesn't agree with my analysis about this Wyckoff distribution phase theory, and I know a lot of you were bullish, and a lot of big social media accounts were super bullish when Bitcoin rebound from $56,000 or $57,000 up to $73,000. But I have warned you guys. I have made a lot of videos talking about this take profit zone. Big players in the market are taking profit at around this level. And not only that, guys, Mt. Gox repayment could probably add to the selling pressure Bitcoin's price. The repayment will be made from the beginning of July 2024. If you have watched my previous analysis, we have also made a smaller bear flag here and possible rising wedge pattern with a possible target of $57,000. And today we have hit the target. And in fact, I have made that video yesterday, guys, when Bitcoin was trading at around $61,000 or $62,000. And that was a nasty 8% in a single day. And again, if you have watched my previous analysis about this Wyckoff distribution phase theory, guys, I've explained this on my previous video. I've shared with you this Wyckoff distribution chart, guys, and this really looks 99% or even 100% identical to the Bitcoin's price right now. Look at this, guys. Look at this. After an uptrend, distribution phase, sideways channel, and then price fell after the distribution phase. And we are right now on this level, guys. We are on this level. We're hovering below this sideways or distribution phase. So right now, the Bitcoin's price is on this very critical level. So better watch out. In my previous video, I know a lot of you has been asking, what will be my reaccumulation zone? So if you are going to zoom out, again, if you have missed my previous video, I'm going to repeat this. Even if Bitcoin dropped back to 40,000 level, macro uptrend is still very much intact, guys. Our macro bullish uptrend is still valid even if Bitcoin dropped back to this level. And in fact, if you have been in the previous bull and bear market, you know that 50% correction is normal during this cycle, guys. As what you can see, last cycle we have even seen Bitcoin drop from $64,000 down to $28,000, and then we have seen that bullish trend continues and regain that previous all-time high. So that is actually normal. So again, my reaccumulation zones for Bitcoin is going to be 50,000 level. Probably will get some short-term bounce at around $57,000, and that will be good for futures trading. But if you are trading spot, if you're just holding, if you just want to hold for long term, if you just want to buy and hold it for long term, then probably I would wait for this long term support trend line, probably around 40,000 level, 39,000 up to 40,000 level. But if you are excited, if you want to do this DCA, I will start probably buying at around $50,700 up to $40,000. You know, I have bought Bitcoin at $16,000, and as what I've told you, I'm gonna sell on our way up. In fact, I've already sold 50% of my Bitcoin at $69,000. So I'm gonna reaccumulate once we see that beautiful drop back to 40,000 level, and if not, then I'm just gonna continue to hold the remaining bags, guys. And if we drop to $50,000, maybe I would start to DCA into the market. But again, all charts and CA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. I could be wrong on this one, and trading crypto is super high risk, guys. So only invest what you can afford to lose, and of course, trade at your own risk. If you want financial advice, consult with your financial advisor. So that's it for today. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you think we are going to see that bounce at this current first level of support? Let me open up Chart Prime. So Chart Prime right now, Bitcoin is on the discount zone. Now let's look at the Chart Prime Oscillator Pro. So I have explained this on my previous video. Again, as what I've said, I remain bearish on Bitcoin as long as this oscillator is still below the zero level. So we still need that oscillator, guys, to break that zero level in order for me to flip bullish. So short term, currently we are on the discount zone, but if the daily candle closes below 56,000, again, another signal, guys, another signal. If the daily candle closes below 56,400, get ready for a possible further move to the downside, in my own opinion, up to $50,800. This is going to be the next support for Bitcoin if this discount zone, if this 57,000 level doesn't hold, guys. All right, so don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.